There's two lions in front. That's the incense burner on your left side. As you walk along, you will see the full lions. They are the protectors against evil spirits. Now, as you enter the Emperor Guards, or the House of Emperor Guards, this is Guan Yu, a general who lived during the Han Dynasty, 160 AD. He is portrayed in red face. He symbolized bravery, strength, and loyalty. So this is a kind of God that someone or a Chinese people can pray for if he wants some strength, or if he or she in a really dilemma. And these are gongs to make sound, to make sure the prayer is going towards the God. The ceilings are painted with birds. And this is the main part, the most important part of the temple. Praying to the gods of marriage. You know, arranged marriage is popular in China. And these are QR code that someone can scan to donate money, drop it on the box, or now here, take a stick, try to guess what's in there. And these are the two things, the two cups or teacups. If you're gonna see a wedding ceremony, a Chinese wedding ceremony, you will get to see these things. This is especially true in rural areas where they practice Buddhism. The yellow one is a dowry or a gift to the bride by a groom. So if Chinese people want their children to get married, they pray for this god. Yue Liao is the god of weddings or marriage. Let's go upstairs. The main theme of this temple, because this is a village temple, so most people pray for marriage for their children. Yellow and gold means heaven. So they're like praying towards their ancestors to have a successful marriage for their sons and daughters. Let's take a look at the detail of the roof. This is called rib hood. It's very detailed, so that the roof is really protected. They also put some figurines so it won't get into the temple or get inside. Then as you go down, this container is like for burning incense of gold paper coins. This dragon is a symbol in temples, but during Qing dynasty they use it as an imperial power. So, have you been to a Chinese temple? Or have you been to Beijing temple, the most popular one?